Yan guys, so after natin mag-exercise, Lulu Hypermarket, Dammam Al Corniche area. So let's go, shopping mall. Yan guys, ito yung Lulu. Yan, entrance. Yan, so nasa ka-entrance na tayo. May pa-balloon sila guys. Ayan. Yan, kasi meron silang promotion today. So ito yung promotion niya guys. 30% flat sale sila today. Yan. So let's go. Let's go up. So here we go. Ayan, pinakita nyo naman guys. Talagang super promo sale sila today. Ayan, may pa-balloons. Ito na tayo sa taas. So ito yung department store, okay? So here we go. We are now in entrance of the department store. Ayan guys. Ayan. Dami ng bilhin kagad, oh. Tanong mo, labas pa lang, tanong mo na. Ayan yung mga counter. Pwede yung mga available items also. Yan, super sale yata sila. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Yung upuan na to, 39 reals, oh. Yan. Carpet. Yan, appliances is available also. Yan, so papasok tayo din mamaya sa loob. Ito yung mga appliances. Yan, kitchen and sound system, TV available. Yan. So, let's go sa loob. Yan guys, so ending na tayo. Nakapamili na tayo ng konti. Then afterwards, we'll go home, cook, and after nyan, live stream ulit tayo mamaya. See you and thank you for subscribing Life Change OFW Journey. Bye-bye!